Hello friends, Sai here. Today we have this question. This question is being taken from RMO 2015. RMO is the stage 2 of Indian Mathematics Olympiad. Now let's see the question. It says that find all integers a, b, c such that a square is equal to bc plus 1 and b square is equal to ca plus 1. Now let's see how we can approach this question. See, directly we are getting nothing from these equations. Why not add these equation and subtract? Let's see what we are getting. If I add this equation, I'm getting a square plus b square is equal to c into a plus b plus 2. Well, I'm fine, but I didn't get anything. Okay, let's keep this equation. Now if I subtract, let's see what I am getting. I'm getting a square minus b square is equal to bc minus ca. So here I can write like that, a minus b into a plus b, and here I can write c into b minus e. Well and fine. Now if I move this term to the other side, I'm getting a minus b into a plus b plus c into a minus b is equal to 0. Well and fine. So I can take a minus b common. So if I take a minus b common, what I am getting is a minus b into a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So finally I got something. From here I can say that either a is equal to b or a plus b plus c is equal to 0. This will be the case when a is not equal to b for sure. Now when a is equal to b, if a is equal to b, if I put that thing here in this equation, let's see what I'm getting. I'm getting 2a square is equal to c into 2a, c into 2a plus 2. So these two got cancelled. I'm getting a square minus ca is equal to 1. Well and fine. Now I can write like this, a into a minus c is equal to 1. But in the question it says that this c is an integer. See, it mentioned that we are talking about integers. Now if this is integer, this whole quantity will be integer, and this quantity is also integers. How we can get two integer multiplied equal to 1? The only possibility case is either these two are 1 or these are minus 1. These are the only possible case. So if I say a is equal to 1, I will say a minus c is equal to 1. So from here I am getting c is equal to 0. If I say a is equal to minus 1, a minus c is equal to minus 1. From here also I am getting c is equal to 0. But this is the case when a is equal to b. So from here we got two pairs, 1 comma 1 comma 0 and 1 minus 1 comma 0. Well and fine. Now let's come to this second case. Here we are having a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Well and fine. And now we know this equation, a square plus b square plus c a plus b is equal to 0. So I can rewrite again here, a square plus b square is equal to c, a plus b is equal to 2. Now from this equation, put the value of c. I'm getting a square plus b square is equal to minus of a plus b into a plus b. Sorry, this is plus 2. Plus 2, I will say. So what I'm getting is a square plus b square plus a plus b whole square is equal to 2. Well and fine. Now see, this quantity is integer, this quantity is integer, this quantity will also be integer. I'm getting positive square here, square, so here also square. I'm getting positive, 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 and this is equal to 2. So the only possible cases I am getting is either this 1 1 0, or I will say 0 1 0, or 1 0 1. Sorry, 0 1 1. These are the cases I am getting. It cannot be 2 because it is a square of integer, so it is 1 or it is a 4. So 2 0 0, these cases got eliminated. So I'm getting these three cases. Well and fine. Now when a square b square is 1, but a plus b is 0. That means a is equal to minus b. So from here I will say that I'm getting a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, or a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1. These two set I am getting from this thing. Well and fine. Now let's come to this thing, 0 1 1 and 1 0 1. Now this from here, if this is 0 means a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 or minus 1, and here also I'm getting this, so b is equal to 1 or minus 1. Well and fine. And from this case I'm getting what? This quantity is 1, this quantity is 0, so I'm getting b is equal to 0 and a is equal to 1 or minus 1. Well and fine. So now we just have to make the cases from these things. So what we are getting, first I'm getting a1 b minus 1. Well and fine. And we know that what is c? C is minus of a plus b. Well and fine. So here I'm getting 0. And what is the second case? I'm getting minus 1 1 0. These two cases are covered. Now let's talk about these cases. I'm getting here a0 b1, okay, and a0 b minus 1. These I'm getting, but we know that c is what? Minus of a plus b, minus of a plus b. So what I'm getting here, minus 1, and here I'm getting 1. Well and fine. Now let's come to this case. So here b is equal to 0, so I'm getting 0 here and 0 here, and a is 1 or minus 1, so here 1, here minus 1. Now let's see what is the c. See here minus 1 and here 1. So basically we got this 6 plus 2, total 8 cases, 8 solutions. See how amazing this question is. You have to do a step by step analysis. Hope you like the solution.